The other thing I love about siblings is the fun games that you can only play with your siblings. Like Hertz Donut, 52 card pickup, and my favorite, why are you hitting yourself? Why are you hitting yourself? I was like 26 when I realized you can just open your hand. I'm entertaining and educating tonight. That's what I'm talking about. So I don't have kids yet, but I dote endlessly on my cats and my dogs. By round of applause, do I have some animal people here tonight? Yes. As Americans, apparently we spend billions of dollars on everything from organic dog food to fancy dog beds, right? Just spending all our money on that. I saw the most interesting advertisement today for a new product, though I'd never heard of. It was called Doggy Distaste. Maybe your dog needs this. The ad said that Doggy Distaste is designed to make feces taste awful. Some dogs eat their poo. Designed to make feces taste awful. I didn't think it got worse than, hey, this tastes like crap. Apparently it does. And there's some genius scientist inventing this stuff. You know, how does that work? You know, it's like, well, Jones, you've just graduated from MIT and we've got a plum assignment. We think you're gonna find a challenge. You're gonna make poo taste worse. How do they know if he's doing it right? What Sparky doesn't know is we've taken his regular feces and spiked it with Doggy Distaste. Let's take a look. But my favorite part of the ad was they felt the need to put in all capital letters, for dogs only. Yeah, that Marcia down in accounting think her stuff don't think. It do now.